Welcome, everyone. As we journey through the 5 elements practice, we're on to the third element, which we will do today. It has to do with spleen as the yin organ and stomach as the yang organ. And the sound for that is Ru, W-H-O-O. Inhale and exhale, inhale and then whoo, whoo. It's almost like making a sound from the throat as well as coming out from the pursed lip. Whoo. A combination of voice and exhalation. And this organ is related to the element earth. And this is again relates to the springtime. As the liver, gallbladder, and spleen and stomach, these are all located around here. And the springtime is when the growth is happening. Everything is springing up. And as you know, our digestive system, these are very crucial in the initial part of our digestion. So the growth and springtime, flowering, fruit, all that stuff, you can imagine those things. And so these two are related to the springtime. So, and the emotions related here that we'll work with is worry. If you're concerned about something, concerned about future, worrying about something, that something might happen. And it's a little bit in a future part. And how you deal with the worry is by becoming fair and open. Fairness and openness is the two qualities that are being used. Once is we have fairness and you're open about accepting things that come your way, the worry part would be less. We know that we are going to deal with situations that come our way in a fair fashion. So fairness and openness. And so we cover those with this particular practice. So let's do this. Inhale and exhale. And then position ourselves to message to the spleen, which is on the left side, right in that location. As far back as you can go, both hands can be placed that. Inhale and exhale. Go. The worry goes out. Inhale. Whenever I combine the voice coming out first and then exhalation, I get much more effect. Let me try this again. Inhale. Store the fairness and openness in your dantian. Make a decision to be fair, make a decision to be open. Any of these practices that we do with the elements, one can also work simultaneously with your speech and declaration and whatever affirmation that you need to do about the qualities. So let's do the Qigong part. Qigong part is very fascinating because it is to do with the earth. And we're combining the earth and the heavens, and you'll notice that in the combination of this. The earth actually got born from the heavens, as we all know. And now we combine the two in order to get the worry out and become fair and open the entire universe. And so the spleen practice is very powerful. And what we do is we make a diamond triangle and raise up slowly. The movements part is first, raise up slowly, look up to the celestials, turn to the left, keep looking. Keep looking through the diamond into the space, connecting the space and the earth. Turn the other side, slowly. And this is the part I love. Now, I'll show you in the front here so that you can see it. Now, bring that diamond together near the eye as if you are zooming in. If you imagine the camera zooming in, the picture becoming very big. Zoom in to the near the eye and go back. Recede, zoom in and out, slowly. Turn again. Any angle, any amount that you want to turn, zoom in and out. This is the spleen element practice for Tai Chi. Zoom in and out. And you may rotate it in a zoom fashion. So come back. Let's do that with the sound. Inhale and exhale twice. Inhale. As you exhale, boom. Inhale and go away. Turn. Exhale. Boom. Inhale. Boom. Boom. Turn it on. Put the diamond back. Restore openness and fairness in your heart, mind, and the lower dantian. Store. I am fair. I'm fair to people, I'm fair to anything around me. I'm fair to myself. I'm open. I'm open to everybody. I'm open to myself. I'm transparent. Once I'm open, transparent, I need not worry. It is often said that if you don't tell a lie, you don't have to remember much. It's the same thing as openness, fairness, and being consistent with ourselves. The spleen and stomach help us do that. Practicing this will, from the medical standpoint, the spleen has to do with immunity. And one gains immunity from what? From concerns, from untruth, from something that might happen tomorrow. And it allows us to go with the flow of life, becoming simple, becoming flow with the whatever is happening. That is what the earth grounding as you say, this is the element of the earth, and you ground it into this situation where we can handle stuff no matter what. Very powerful practice. Again, springtime when things come on the way, things are growing, we can handle stuff because we're in that phase. Practice this whenever you need it, and on a daily basis helps significantly.